Hi guys, I'm back. And I'm back with another tutorial of lipstick. Okay, yeah. I do this kind of stuff when I'm really bored and I have nothing else to do and I'm so tired of covering music, so I just like do these weird tutorial. Okay, so this lipstick is from CoverGirl. I forgot what number or what color it is, but as you can see, it's kind of like a champagne-ish brown color, right? So okay, so here we go. Okay, so um, yeah, that's how I put on my lipsticks. Um, and then I use a LA Colors Shimmering. It's kind of like a brownish. It's a SE 124. SE 124. Got this at Dollar Tree for $1, of course. Um, and so yeah. So you take your little brush thingy. It could be a eyeshadow brush. The ones that you use it for palettes too. But for me, since I lost my lip brush, I'm gonna use this. So you dab it in, or yeah, or whatever. Cause these are pretty cheap, but they work well. So okay. Okay. I'm sorry. I have to shake it because they like okay. These yeah. These are kind of like frozen. I don't know why, but they are. So and you just dab it on. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Hmm. Yeah. You can fix it and put more to it. But since there's it's a tutorial, it's not so great. Okay. Um. So I hope you guys enjoy, and this kind of look would look great with dark outfits to the club or Halloween. Yeah. So enjoy. And stay tuned for more. Subscribe for more if you guys want any requests. I guess I kind of said, but yeah, anything. Bye.